Mastering flatbreads, roti, naan, and paratha for every culinary enthusiast. There's something irresistibly comforting about the scent of freshly made flatbreads wafting through your kitchen. Whether it's the smoky aroma of roti, the soft fluffiness of naan, or the crispy layers of paratha, these breads are more than just side dishes, they're the soul of South Asian meals. Flatbreads have been a staple in Indian cuisine for centuries, each with its own story, texture, and technique. While they share basic ingredients like flour, water, and sometimes fat or yogurt, their methods and finishes create entirely different experiences. Let's unravel their magic. Roti is the most humble and wholesome of the three. Made with just whole wheat flour, atta, and water, it's rolled thin and cooked dry on a hot tawa, griddle. A perfectly puffed roti is a source of pride for many home cooks. It's light, soft, and ideal for scooping up lentils and curries. The trick? A smooth dough, gentle rolling, and a hot surface that encourages the roti to puff like a balloon. Naan, on the other hand, is the flatbread that feels like a feast. Traditionally baked in a tandoor oven, naan is made from a leavened dough often enriched with yogurt and milk, making it soft and airy with just the right chew. Its charred spots and pillowy texture pair perfectly with rich dishes like butter chicken or paneer tikka. At home, you can mimic the tandoor effect by using a hot cast iron pan or baking stone and covering the naan for steam to help it rise. Then there's paratha, flaky, layered, and downright indulgent. Unlike roti, parathas are often brushed with ghee or oil and folded multiple times to create layers. They can be plain or stuffed with spiced potatoes, paneer, radish, or lentils. The real charm of paratha lies in its golden crispiness outside and soft interior, making it ideal for breakfast or a hearty meal. Each flatbread requires its own rhythm. With roti, it's about speed and precision. With naan, it's patience and heat. With paratha, it's control and creativity. The common denominator? Practice. Start with one. Master its technique. Taste your progress with every batch. The ingredients are simple, but the journey from flour to flavor is deeply rewarding. So which one are you eager to try first, roti, naan, or paratha?